Hello. So I've been doing a series of overnight heatless curls. I've been wearing heatless curls for, I don't know, 10 years, maybe longer. This is a sleepy tie. It's my most favorite. I think it's the easiest. I've tested everything, but I'm going to start uploading more and doing a whole little showcase of just heatless curls because apparently they are so popular. So let's start with this. So I wore this overnight and it was it damp? Sometimes I like to dampen my hair a little bit, but last night I was lazy, so I didn't dampen it. I just put some hairspray on it, slept in it. Of course, I mean, it's almost 2 o'clock already. I've been up all day. I'm working. I did a workout in it, and I just leave this in my hair. So let's take it out. This is Sleepy Tie. It's on my Amazon store. It was on sale for $22. I would get it now, but I also have dupes. And let's start this series, guys, okay? All right, so basically the Sleepy Tie is like a donut and then it's got like a scrunchie on top of it. And yeah, so we're just gonna pull the hair out. What I love about it immediately is how smooth and silky and soft your hair is, especially at my age, 55, when I have really dry menopausal hair. Also, obviously, I bleach my hair. That's no surprise. So just gonna go in here and take a look at her. I like to comb her out and play around with her, but that's what we have right now. Let me style her and zhuzh her because you know that I need to. The first thing I like to do when my Sleepy Tie comes out is spray it. And of course, this is the Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray. It's pretty strong. I love this. It's like $10 on Amazon. I'm just gonna set it really quick. And then I like my front pieces to come in. So I'm gonna do that. This is where we're doing some hair training. I think this is so important for your style. I'm also gonna do the back. I have to train it because I have a weird like part back here. I do not want that to show. So before I spray it, I know exactly where my part is. So I comb it down. So that part is not showing. Then I spray, spray. This stuff is intense. It's so good. All right, now we wait. So one thing that I always do is check the back of my hair with a big mirror in this mirror so I can make sure it's not messed up. Always check the back of your hair. You must. I think if you forget to do that, you could be in for a rude awakening because the back of your hair could look really messed up. Okay, people are not just seeing the front of us. They're seeing us, especially when we walk away. So we want to look good from behind. You know what I mean? So I'm just going to spray this. And that's going to train that hair there. Now, if I wanted some more volume up here, which I might, I could use a hair powder. Hair powder is going to give me more volume, and we love that. Today, the powder that I'm going to be using is DP Hue Color Fresh Texturizing Powder. You can use any. There's lots of different price points of this. I pull the hair apart, and at that part, I just kind of spray and massage. Spray and massage. Make sure you have the nozzle pointing in the right direction. And it's just gonna, especially on these side bits where we want a little more, you can go in there even deeper. Get in there. Spray and massage. I need it actually because I did this really intense workout. I was sweating. I've been lifting heavy weight because I'm like in menopause and I need my body to be strong. I'm not getting weak as I age. Anyway. Okay, I've just been keeping these in for 5 minutes. You really don't need a lot of time. The longer the better, but if you only have a couple of minutes. And there she is. What do you guys think? Now, if you want it bigger, you could go in and kind of tease, but I like to do a final spritz once I've gotten everything that I like here. I like to lift, whoop, not that. I like to lift, spray, lift and spray. And there is the final look of the hair. I think it's freaking beautiful. And there was no heat. Ladies, there was no heat involved in this. No heat involved in this. It was overnight curls, shiny, menopausal hair. There you go. I hope you like this series and I will do more. Make sure to check under my little showcase for hair, okay? Heatless hair. Heatless overnight curls. Yeah.